So what this video is going over particularly is 4 essential frameworks and templates that I have created that will really help you with your search campaigns on Google Ads. So what we have covered in these campaigns, which are completely free for you to download, I don't ask for an email, I don't ask for anything. There's a link to this master Google Sheets document in the description where you can simply go to it and you can go make a copy and it is yours, free to use forever. So what we have in this first framework or template is a ad copy template. So this goes over the 15 headlines that we want to include and the sort of categories we want to include as we go, the structure to the headlines we want to follow. So we have the first one starting with keywords, a brand name, asking a question, keyword benefits, desired outcome, our guarantee, social proofing and scarcity, CTAs, and so on and so forth. It's structured in a way to make sure we always include as much psychological elements in there as possible that will encourage our users to convert from a click on a website to an inquiry on a website. So that one's really good. The next one that's essential to use is a keyword research document or a template. So what we do from our keyword research, and I have a video on all of these in particular, so they will be linked in the description so you can watch those in detail. We have our campaign plan and our keyword research in one pretty much, because we have our campaign name here, and then from our keyword research we've sort of identified the different ad groups that we want to use in this particular campaign. Then put in our keywords we want to use per ad group. And as we're going through, we're probably thinking, okay, that would be a good negative keyword to include. So we have a section here where we can add in negative keywords that come to your head, because it's always good to note them down in the moment because you will forget, because I always do forget. So you always got to make sure you note them down immediately. And same for this, any relevant site links that would be useful for us to use or very specific for us to use in this particular ad group. And then the same for the call outs. So as we're creating a campaign, we just want to be noting down all these useful things that will complement our campaign and write them down immediately, because as I said, you probably will forget because we're only human. The next template or framework you can have is this, which is 25 site links for you to use for free. These are more broad site links, they're very general. So what I recommend is you can use these for particularly account level site links where you can just be more broad and general with them. But I would always recommend under this column here to add in your very specific site links that will complement your ad as much as you can. You want to be as specific as possible, but these just give you the basics, these give you the bread and butter of what you can use for your site links. The next one we have is a call out examples. So what we have here is 68 different call out examples under multiple different categories for you to use. So when you're creating your ad, you can go to this document and you can copy and paste 24-hour customer service. You can copy and paste 4.8 on Google. You can copy and paste 80 years of service and tailor it to your company, of course. You can copy and paste great service. You can copy and paste build brand visibility. So you can copy and paste whichever ones are most suited to you. But overall, these are the 4 templates or frameworks that will really help you to create a Google Ads search campaign in the quickest time possible. So as I said, it will be in the top link in the description. Feel free to go through and download this and use it as much as you want. Okay, guys. I'd always love to connect with you guys on LinkedIn. So feel free to reach out to me. That link will be in the description again, and send me any messages related to Google Ads, Facebook ads, or marketing in general. I'd love to answer any of your questions and help you out. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next.